Well, maintenance-related issues are not covered. So any plug or light points that no longer work, earth leakage switch is not tripping like it should, earthing problems which are caused by corrosion have developed. And I just want to mention something about earthing problems quickly. We've seen this more and more recently. It's something that's been happening for 10, 15 years, but it's growing. I think electricians that were in one company have moved to another and moved to another. So they've spread this idea that if you've got an old property, so there's two types of earthing systems. In a new house, you've got that white wire, twin and earth, or Surfex, it's got an earth wire in it. Or you've got a fairly new house, Parklands area, you've got plastic conduit, it's got live neutral earth in it. But on an old house, Claremont is a very good example, you've got metal pipes with just live and neutral, and the metal pipe was your earth to that point. Everything's bolted together, lock nuts, everything's bolted fuss, and that is your earth. They are saying that you can no longer use metal conduit for earthing, and they are correct in a new installation. You can't go and install metal conduit as an earth now. But if the house is 60 years old, and that's the earthing system, you can still pass it. So we've seen quotes, little house out in North Pine, 26,000 Rand to rewire all the lights and plugs because there's no earth wire. They didn't say, and we went to go check it, everything was earthed properly. There just wasn't an earth wire, and so they're quoting for it. This has happened in Harfield Village, it's happened in Claremont, it's happened in Gardens, we've seen it in North Pine. You won't find it in a newer area because they don't have metal conduit, they're newer, they use plastic. So if you see someone calling to rewire for earthing, like a whole lot of points, the whole installation, stop right there, it's not necessary. Then go to a more experienced company to get